guys, welcome back to the ISCI Facebook page. Continuing on from the video I put up yesterday about dynamic warm-ups, I'm going to show you two more exercises that I would use in a dynamic linear warm-up. They're going to be a reverse lunge walk with an overhead reach and a walking leg cradle. With reverse lunge walk with an overhead reach, the key thing I'm looking for is to get the arms completely straight. So a good cue is reach your fingertips to the sky. We want to see good hip extension on the back hip and just feather kiss the knee off the ground. So it look like this. So we're going to step back, feather kiss the knee off the ground, hip and extension, reach up to the sky, step up, and then reach back with the opposite leg, feather kiss the knee off the ground, knee extension, reaching up to the sky. If you have somebody with a very tight thoracic spine, you may leave the reach up overhead out. Next thing we want to look at then is walking leg cradle. With leg cradle, if I'm with a very big group, personally myself, I'm going to leave it out because it's very coaching intensive, and more often than not, most athletes perform it very poorly. But I want to just go across some coaching cues here if you want to put it into your warm-ups. What we don't want with leg cradle is to do it like this. Okay? And another key thing, just like with knee hug, we want to make sure that the athlete can separate one hip from the opposite hip. So with leg cradle, we're seeing kind of one hip staying extension while the other hip goes into flexion and external rotation. So what leg cradle should look like is this. The opposite hand should grab the opposite ankle. The same side arm hugs the thigh in towards the opposite shoulder. So this is what leg cradle should look like. Separate the hips, and so on. Okay, so from the side view, it should look like this. Okay, and just like with the knee hug walk I showed you yesterday, not only are we looking for hip separation, but what we also want to see is a stable spine around a mobile hip. So with leg cradle, we don't want to see lumbar substitution for hip flexion and external rotation. So we don't want to see this. Okay? We want to see this. Alright guys, so make sure you check out the Facebook page tomorrow for more videos. Peace.